Hi, welcome along. My name's Andy. I'm part of the sales team here at Caravan. Just thought I'd take a few moments to show you around one of our used caravans. It's a used Siena compact. It's on a 2022 year, so it's just come back into us. So let's have a look around. So as you can see, it's a Swift Siena. It's at Grantham's dealer special. It's the smallest caravan that's on the road at the moment. So the facilities that we add to it as a dealer special are the ATC. We'll come to the others as we go around. We've got around the side here, we've got the heating. There's the low air heating in this one, the water pump, so there's water inlet there, and then your battery box. It doesn't have a motor mover. If you did need it, we can fit one to it. And down the side here we have the toilet cassette with the header. So moving around to the other side, and facilities that we as a company add to our dealer specials are the barbecue point, the electric socket, and the alarm, which I'll show you on the inside. This is just an access point under the actual front seat. So let's climb aboard and have a look. So stepping into the caravan, plenty of light coming in today. Sorry, it's a little bit breezy outside. We've got skylights at the front. It doesn't have a sunroof, it's just a fixed thing. It does have a radio built into it as well. I mentioned outside it has an alarm, so the alarm fob and activation is here. It's on a sensor. Colour wise then, as you can see, it's in a turquoise and a bronze colour. This is matched quite nicely with the curtains, and then it's a hard wearing fabric on the seats. Now the caravan does have a full set of carpets, but we've taken them up just because the guys have been cleaning it. Finishing then on the doors, you can see it's a matte wooden finish, and then until you spin round into the kitchen area, it's white for the wardrobe and then white over the cooker itself. Whilst we're down here, it's got the microwave, which again is away from the actual heat source. Cooking wise, it has 3 gas burners, a grill, an oven, and then to finish off with the kitchen area, it's got the standard size fridge freezer. Prepping area on top here, it does have a freestanding table should you need it. As for the controls for the caravan, very easy now on this one. It's just basically on or off with the pumps and the power, etc. And then you activate where you want heat or hot water through the Trima channels. Again, we'll talk you through that if you're new to caravanning, so don't worry about that. As for the toilet and shower, it's the combined one on this one. So again, it's nice and bright in here with a white finish, all sealed. Has the shower curtain, vanity sink, and then a small cupboard underneath for storage. So as I say, this is a Siena compact, so it's a dealer special from Grantham's here, and it's a 2022 model. As I say, it has manufacturer's warranty, and it will go from 6 years from the first date of purchase. So if you'd like any more information on this caravan, do feel free to give us a call. Telephone number is 01476 560 599. Many thanks. Cheers now. Bye bye.